Kani kadai ka Batisi TV. Bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasngi belawan ra shapi da ka rupa. Bapentingan bat penbha.
Komisi bentaban kentiu ya ke jingsna Waiñ bala penmi na kisok ba per ki bami na rilom khasi jaintia. Ka forever young hne kasngi ka shipho tarik naiwing kala penlong da ka tamasa ban penya yau ya ka Waiñ haplau ka State Central Library Shillong. Uba Michael Sim, President ka Forever Young, haga jingya kren bat ka Batisi TV, ulay ito baka seng ka jupenlong ya kani ka tamasa manlaw snem. Bat kerparu ya ka sorkar baka day, ban ito ya ka Waiñ, daka ain, namar kumba ka long menta, ka sorkar ka ito daka ain tang ya ka beer. Ula ongru, lada ka sorkar ka ito daka ain ya ka jingsna Waiñ, na ka jala, kan wanra jingmentoy ya ki samla ka jala, haga yok kam yok jam.
In Mizoram in 2013, Mizoram is a dry state. But the government first legalized wine made out of grapes in Mizoram.
Wine?
Made out of grapes. Then when they saw that the people were getting benefits, they amended that, further amendment of that Prohibition Act in Mizoram, and they allowed wine made out of fruits. So when E.T. Mandal was the Minister of Excise, we had approached him and we told him, look here, the benefits of wine, horticulture will be the first one to benefit. Then the rural economy, people who plant trees and all, fruit trees. And tourism also will be benefit. So Mr. E.T. Mandal, he took it up and sent the officers to study the case of Himachal Pradesh and Mizoram. But when he was no longer Minister of Excise, then that initiative also just died down. I think after that, I think 2 years back, I think Paul Lindo also raised in the assembly. But why government is not legalizing wine? So if you allow beer to be manufactured and sold, then why is wine so difficult? Especially most of the wine, I think majority of the winemakers are local people. So apart from horticulture, self-employment is there. Then the tourism, it will help to boost up tourism also. Because I think like when you go to Goa, everybody will drink Feni. It's a local. So if government legalizes wine, then, and especially the wine that we have here, a variety of wine. Feni is made out of cashew nut. But here the wine is made of so many type of fruits. Before we took up wine, fruits would either just fall on the floor and rot, or they'd give it to the cattle and whatnot, the fruits. But now ever since we have made this a wine festival, now fruits are getting value addition. So that way, horticulture will get a boost. Seems that these benefits which the legalizing of wine will have on the rural economy has not getting that priority from the government.